Modern technologies are opening new opportunities for historians and literary critics. Preservation of unique documents and works for future generations is possible owing to new technologies. Ultra-modern scanners convert the hard copies of archival documents into soft copies. 40% of books from the General Fund of the National Library of Kazakhstan were digitized in the past 4 years.
Нами были оцифрованы такие издания, как Шахнаме.
We have digitized publications like Shahnameh, Quran of the 12th century, Quran of the 18th century, and the entire collection of Hoja Ahmed Yasawi listed in UNESCO's Memory of the World Registry. We digitized Persian manuscripts, which are the first Kazakh periodicals. This is the Kazakh newspaper. Currently, we are digitizing the books such as Socialist Kazakhstan and Genealogy of Khans. The digital archive of the President of Kazakhstan has 42,000 unique documents, or more than 5 million pages. Before scanning, each document is marked up manually. Then, collected documents are sent to the archive. The worn-out hard copies are no longer used since they exist in the digital format.
Бумага, она с каждым годом становится ветхой.
A sheet of paper wears out. For this purpose, the archive has special equipment, high-speed digital scanners. Every day, employees scan documents. Next step is the verification of hard and soft copies of the documents. A database is created and sent to a server. Modern technologies will extend the life of these documents. Experts note that everyone can access the most unique documents and valuable manuscripts owing to modern technologies.